Welcome to Flipping Miami, a podcast for those who want to learn real estate investing, do more, and make more. Now, here is your host, Raul Bolufe.
All right, so welcome. I hope you are doing good. I hope you are taking action and not just watching these videos. As much as I love you, and as much as I love that you're taking the time out of your day to watch these videos, I just want a quick reminder that without action, you will not make money. Without action, you will not grow. So I laugh, but it's not fucking funny. I want you to do something. And you probably are doing something, but I just want to remind you to do something again. Learn, execute. All right. So in this video, thank you for watching, by the way. That was probably like a rude intro, but in this video, I'm going to talk about social media and platforms. I'm going to talk about which social medias to use. Right now, we're in 2019, getting to 2020. What's the best ones to use? What do you do on them? Why? And how do you use it efficiently? How do you work it so that you get more fans, followers, business, make money, blah, 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 blah. And, you know, if you like the idea of a little bit more freedom, if you like the idea of doing wholesale deals and making 10, 15, 20K on just one deal. If you like the idea of real estate investing and possibly buying and holding properties and possibly flipping property yourself and making revenue or growing a team, check out my website, raulbolufe.com. I have tons of free info. I got my podcast. We have it's called Flipping Miami. We have the YouTube channel, Raul Bolufe. We have an email blast that goes out. We have tons of free things. And also if maybe like investing in yourself and really getting organized and getting all the tools you need to succeed is something that you see yourself doing, I have a course that I made called Wholesale Mastery. Spent tons of time doing this, and I want you to check it out. It's on raulbolufe.com on the coaching tab, and you get access to me on WhatsApp, so it's pretty interesting. Anyways, let's get into this. So what social media to use? 2019, 2020. Raul, what do I do? How do I make money off it? That's a great question, okay? My first answer is I'm not big on spending tons of time on social media, okay? Believe it or not. I do have some followers on Instagram and I'm on YouTube and things, but I really spend on YouTube maybe 4 hours a week, Instagram maybe like 8 hours a week. I try not to spend a lot of time. I actually delete the app. Most days of the week because it can be a distraction. So, but with that being said, I still think it's a very powerful tool, and I still think that Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, what is this new one? TikTok, all these things are very powerful. So to answer the first question, which social media to be on? Instagram, for if you're wholesaling, if you're real estate investing, Instagram is the number one. Why? Real estate investing is sexy, okay? Real estate investing, wholesaling, flipping houses, ooh, sexy. People get like turned on from that shit. They don't really realize the hard work that goes into it and the money and the training and the sales and the marketing that goes into it, but it's very sexy and it can be very attractive. So Instagram right now, because of the Insta stories, because of the posts, because of the facility, the easiness to like and the easiness to follow people and the easiness to do this and do that, I like Instagram the best. Right now, 2019, we are in November 2nd as I am recording this. And what I want to get at is Instagram is not to be used to put a story and say, hey, I'm the new realtor in town, or I'm the new wholesaler. If you have we buy houses, check me out. Hey, I don't know why I'm like with a little sassy attitude, or hey man, hit me up, bro. I am doing real estate now, and you put it on your story or a picture or some shit, or in your Facebook feed. Hey fam, I'm a realtor, just graduated, call me. Dude, no one's ever gotten a fucking deal that way, or very few people have ever gotten a fucking deal that way. So Raul, fine, I won't do that. I get it. What do I do then? So this is exactly what I'll do. We're going to do it together right now. I'm going to get my Instagram. I have it open on the weekend. And I'm going to film me working. All right, so I'm filming a video of me filming a video for our podcast and the YouTube. And here I'm talking about social media, what to use, how to use it. Oh man, I'm not even recording. I messed up. All right, ready? Yo, what's up? All right, so I'm filming a video of me filming a video. It's pretty interesting. I'm filming a video of me filming a video about social media, about Instagram, and what is like the best and most effective way to use it in your real estate wholesale business. So I'm actually going to put this video up maybe in a couple days. So I'll have the link up in a couple days. But just wanted to prove a point on this video. And when you see it, check it out for the full info. Yo, what's up? All right, so I'm filming a video. What I do here is I'm going to put next. I'm going to put share. I'm going to put done. Done. What does that mean, Raul? Okay, cool. You just take a video of you. The best way to use social media is of you working. If you haven't done a deal yet, it doesn't freaking matter. Take videos of you trying to do a deal. Take videos of you going on an appointment. Take videos of you doing cold calling. Take videos of you, writing down leads. Take videos of you sending text messages. I don't know. I don't care. Take videos of you meeting with a client. Take videos of you going to a seminar. Take videos of you working, man. Working. Not just, hey, I'm the new realtor, guys. Call me. I don't do anything for my money. No. Take a video of you working. Put it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, whatever social media you want. I like Instagram the best. It's just so easy. Facebook is easy too. I would say Instagram, then Facebook, then to me, TikTok, Snapchat, and all those little ones are kind of like in the same realm. They're usable, but not usable. I'm not a social media expert, right? So this is just like my 2 cents. For a social media expert, go watch Gary Vee's channel and he'll give you like more info. But I would say Instagram and Facebook in that order. And yeah, just that's how you use it. Take videos of you working. And then the next step is reply. When people start writing to you, then reply. And be honest about your stuff. Like take video, like there's times that I'm going on appointments and I'm taking a video. I'm like, hey guys, I'm going to this appointment. And then after the appointment, I'll be like, hey guy, I didn't get the deal. I was there for an hour and a half and it was a tough negotiation, but the seller didn't seem like they were ready. Man, like I wonder what I could have done different. Let me know your thoughts, guys. It's real. I didn't get the deal. So why am I going to lie on social media and say, oh, man, this appointment went sick, bro. Call me. You're a wholesaler. No. I'm honest, man. I'm honest. I didn't get the fucking deal. So the reason I'm tough on this is because social media, you can get fucking lost in social media, right? You can get, there's a deep hole in there. And I don't want people to get the wrong idea that just because, someone has 100,000 followers, they're making all this money from social media. No. If you're not putting the right content, they're not making any money. I can promise you that. Because I have, 11 or 12,000 followers at this point, and I don't really make any money on social media. However, what I do is I post videos of me working in the office. I post videos of some of our cold callers working and getting deals. I post videos of us going on appointments. I post videos of some of my team doing their first deals. And I have used social media to recruit some of the best talent. I think 3 out of my last 4 hires have been through Instagram. People I don't know who follow me, and they're like, hey, man, I see you working, and I see the team, and I want to join. So I want you to go out there and use your social media correctly. And you know what that's going to force you to do? It's going to force you to work. Because I'm not going to allow you to post anything if you're not working. No one gives a freak. No one gives a freak about your social media and how cool that picture is. People want to know what's in it for them. So if they see you working and they reply like, damn, how do I get involved with you? Hey, what are you doing? Cool, well, come check me out in my office. Hey, look, I have my meetup once a month. Hey, I'm actually going to here, or hey, let's grab lunch. Whatever, but reply. Okay? So step 1, Instagram, Facebook in that order. Step 2, record videos, stories, and pictures of you working. Okay, if you want to use the social media to benefit you and work. And step 3, reply to the DMs, reply to the messages, and just be consistent. Just be consistent with that. It really interact with the comments and all that stuff. It helps a ton. So if you guys like this stuff, I hope this video helped you understand what social media should be used for. Again, I'm not an expert. However, I have been able to use it to recruit awesome people. I have done maybe a very, very few deals from it, but made some money. I've sold quite a bit of products on it as far as like my courses and stuff. Not a ton, but I have sold some. I don't hit it full force, but I do know the best people that are crushing in social media: Grant Cardone, Gary Vee, Frank Kern. These guys post videos all the time, and they post videos of things they're working on. Hey, I just came out with this product. Hey, I just helped this client. Hey, I just helped my one-on-one client do this. I just helped my one-on-one client get this deal. Hey, I just hired this new cold caller, and he got his deal in the first 2 weeks. And that is the moneymaker. So I want you guys to go out there, crush it, film yourself on video, add me on Instagram, and I will add you back. Maybe. Depends, it's so busy. I might add you back, but add me on Instagram if you want to see some examples. Then you can unfollow me later on, because I'll be posting. I don't post too often, maybe 3-4 times a week. I'll post some good stuff. And check me out on YouTube, podcast, website, raulbolufe.com. If investing in yourself is something that might interest you, you could check out my coaching tab on raulbolufe.com. I got wholesale mastery there. I also got a free product I don't talk about much. It's free. It's on there on the coaching thing. It's a free mind map. And I don't have a lot of one-on-one students, but if you guys are really dedicated, if you're really dedicated to make this thing work, and you have a little bit of money to invest, we can get on a call and possibly be work together. But for now, get the free stuff, the podcast, the YouTubes. Guys, one love, peace.